Hey guys, this is Rakesh from Simplified. I'm back with another video how to install Java and Eclipse in Windows. Installation of Java and Eclipse. The first step is we have to download Java JDK from Oracle website. Just type java.com. You will be redirected towards this landing page. Press Java download button. Once it is downloaded, just run the exe file as administrator. 3 billion devices are running in Java, of course, as we discussed in the previous class. So once the Java is installed, the next step what we're going to do is we're going to set up the bin folder path as environmental variable. Just navigate towards the Java folder which is present in the program files. Java and then JRE and then build folder. So we have to copy the path completely. Once it is copied, we have to navigate towards properties, advanced settings, and then click environmental variables. In those variables, we have to choose a variable called as path. It will have existing values. So without disturbing it, just type semicolon and then paste the link which we have copied from the navigation bar. Press OK. The next step is we have to download Eclipse from Eclipse official website. Just type Eclipse downloads. Just download Eclipse which is compatible with operating system. I'm just extracting the Eclipse from zip format to normal folder structure. Once the extraction is completed, just navigate inside the Eclipse and just click on eclipse.exe file. Set up your favorite folder as workspace. At last, Eclipse got installed. Subscribe to our channel Simplified and press the bell button for further updates.